This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a cracked burner knob, but this could also be on a cracked dryer knob or many different knobs where the stem is cracked. We're just going to use a zip tie to fix it. So we just loop the zip tie and we're going to want to reduce it down so it's fairly small circle. I'm going to pull off the affected knob here. This is on a Decor cooktop. And I'll just put on the zip tie, get it nice and small, about the size of the stem. These stems often crack, and then when you turn the knob, nothing happens. But this is a really easy, cheap way to fix it. And this is actually permanent. You don't have to replace the knob. So you get it on there, get it tight, and then I usually grab some pliers and pull it extra tight. And then after I get it pulled tight with the pliers, I'll take some scissors or a razor blade or diagonal pliers and just clip off whatever's left, the extra part. And then just slip it back onto the post that's coming out, in this case from the cooktop. And it's strong and it's permanent and it's fast and it's easy. So it's a really fun repair to do. So I'm just going to push it back onto the stem, or back onto the post. Give it a try. So it works great. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.